Hi, friends! Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we'll learn 100 simple English sentences you can use in daily life. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
What's up?
What's up?
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
See you later.
See you later.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
What's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast?
I'm making coffee.
I'm making coffee.
The toast is ready.
The toast is ready.
Where are my keys?
Where are my keys?
I need to wash my face.
I need to wash my face.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
It's time for dinner.
It's time for dinner.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
No problem.
No problem.
I think so.
I think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Of course.
Of course.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Let's start.
Let's start.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
What does this mean?
What does this mean?
I have a question.
I have a question.
Can I borrow a pen?
Can I borrow a pen?
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
I'm busy now.
I'm busy now.
Where is the office?
Where is the office?
I'll check it.
I'll check it.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Don't forget.
Don't forget.
How much is this?
How much is this?
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
Can I have a receipt?
Can I have a receipt?
I'd like a cup of coffee.
I'd like a cup of coffee.
It smells good.
It smells good.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Check, please.
Check, please.
Is it far?
Is it far?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
It's very hot.
It's very hot.
It's raining.
It's raining.
I'm cold.
I'm cold.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I'm feeling better.
I'm feeling better.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
What happened?
What happened?
Be careful.
Be careful.
Watch out.
Watch out.
I forgot.
I forgot.
I remember.
I remember.
Just a moment.
Just a moment.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Believe me.
Believe me.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the window.
Close the window.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light.
Turn off the TV.
Turn off the TV.
I'm looking for my phone.
I'm looking for my phone.
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
How old are you?
What do you do?
What do you do?
I like it.
I like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Well done.
Well done.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Can you show me?
Can you show me?
That's enough.
That's enough.
Stay here.
Stay here.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.